So today I am here with my good friend CJ, and we are installing a turbo whistle and ricing out his 1999 Toyota Corolla. So this is a project that's going to take you at least a whole afternoon, if not an entire weekend. So get ready to put a good amount of time into doing something like this, but we're gonna do a quick install video here and then hear how it sounds. So CJ, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, so here's the installation process for this. First, locate your Ricer Corolla's exhaust. Put the turbo whistle in like so. All right, so you literally just have to stick it in the exhaust and then tighten this thing until it's tight on the exhaust, so that way it doesn't just fall out. I mean, there's still a good chance that it's gonna fall out, but just gonna make sure it's tight so that way hopefully it won't. And this modification will cost you about $5 or $10 on Amazon. People were saying that it improved their 0 to 60 time by about half a second to a second. So we'll have to test that out on this mighty Corolla, but let's go ahead and get an exhaust clip of this and see how it sounds.
That was good though.
So yeah, so you could hear a bit of the whistle. I mean, it said on the on Amazon that it's best under heavy acceleration. I'll put my GoPro on the bumper here and we can see if we'll be able to hear it while we're driving. So we just finished up the install of the turbo whistle. We took it around the block a couple times, got some nice exhaust clips. I actually think it sounds pretty good for a $5 Amazon turbo whistle. I mean, it stayed on, it held up well. So I'm not sure if he wants to keep it on the Corolla or not, keep it nice and riced out. I think he should. If this video gets 5 million likes, CJ will buy a massive ricer wing to put on the Corolla, and that'll be the next install video. But CJ, what do you think of the riced out Corolla? What do you think of the turbo whistle?
I thought it was a pretty good investment, you know. Added a couple horsepower, 0 to 60s at 2 seconds now.
Yeah, I mean,
pretty good.
You guys heard those about 6 or 7 second pulls. I mean, he didn't get out of first gear, but first gear in this car is extremely tall. I mean, he hit maybe 60, 70 miles an hour in those 6 or 7 seconds. So, I mean, pretty quick car. Could definitely compete with some of the older Lamborghinis and Ferraris out there. Some of the newer performance cars for sure. So, once again, if this video gets 50 million likes, CJ will buy a massive ricer wing to install on this. He'll also get some coilovers, slam this thing. He'll LS swap it, and he'll do a couple other things at your discretion. So let us know what you think of the $5 Amazon turbo whistle. Hopefully more of this car to come. Once again, if it does get the 500 million likes on this video like I mentioned. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next video. So before this video ends, I want to give a huge shout out to the app Garage Amino. And this is an app that I've been using for a while now, and it's basically just a social media app for car lovers. It's really cool. I go on here a few times a day. You can just read about other people's builds, interesting stuff going on in the car world. As you see, you have a bunch of featured posts here, and just your general feed. And then you make your own profile. You can post stuff as you want. You've also got your chats over here where you can join different public chats or just talk to different members about whatever you want. Definitely check it out. Once again, it's called Garage Amino, and I will put a link to download this in the description of this video. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next video.